Hello, and a warm welcome to Nourish Mental, where we post videos talking mental health, getting therapy should you feel you need it, and everything in between. Today we're going to be talking about how online therapy works, so if you're curious about the process of getting started, this should answer some of your questions. Now let's get into the video. And as always, captions are available if you need them. Online therapy is a growing trend in the treatment of mental health disorders. It is often seen as an easier and more convenient way to receive treatment than face-to-face sessions. Online therapy allows patients to access therapists from anywhere in the world, which can be useful for those who may not have access to reliable transportation or time off work. Online therapy also allows patients to communicate with therapists through a chat interface or video call, which can improve the rapport between therapist and patient. Online therapy is considered to be an effective form of treatment for a variety of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. The process of finding the right therapist for you. Finding the right online therapist can be a daunting task. It's important to find someone who specializes in the issues you're struggling with, has a personality that meshes well with your own, and has a schedule that works for you. One way to find a therapist is to ask friends or family members if they have any recommendations. You can also check online directories or review sites to find therapists that you may be interested in contacting. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's important to interview potential therapists. Ask them about their specialties, what treatment approaches they use, and how long they've been practicing. Be sure to ask about their fees as well. You should also ask yourself whether you feel comfortable talking with the therapist. Do their personality and values seem like a good fit for you? Types of therapy available online. There are many different types of online therapy available, depending on the condition and mental health of the patient. Some packages are very personalized, while others are more general. The best way to find the right type of therapy for you is to do some research into the different options, and then speak with a therapist about which would be best for you. Who can use it? Online therapy is becoming an increasingly popular option for people who want to get help for their mental health conditions. One of the benefits of online therapy is that it can be customized to meet the needs of each individual. Could anyone really need therapy? According to some mental health professionals, yes, anyone can benefit from talking about their problems and working through them. Therapists believe that by openly discussing problems, people can develop a better understanding of themselves and make better choices about how to cope with their emotions. There is no shame in seeking help, whether it's for mental health issues or any other problem. What to expect from your first session? Therapy is an important part of any mental health treatment plan. What to expect during a therapy session can vary depending on the therapist and the type of therapy being used. In a typical therapy session, you and your therapist will discuss your goals, how you're feeling, and how therapy can help you. You may also receive feedback on specific skills or problems that you're working on. There are many different styles of therapy, so it's important to find one that works well for you. When you start therapy, your therapist will likely ask about your goals for treatment. It's important to be honest and realistic about what you hope to achieve. Therapists can help you set achievable goals and work toward improving your mental health. Feeling better and being more productive are common goals for therapy. With time and effort, you should start to see improvement in your mood and overall well-being. Keep in mind that therapy is a process, and it may take some time before you feel the full benefits. But with patience and commitment, therapy can be an extremely helpful tool in improving your mental health. What to expect longer term? When starting long-term therapy, it is important to understand that progress may not be seen right away. Just like in the gym, it can take time for the body to start feeling the improvements that were hoped for. Be patient and continue with regular appointments, as advised by the therapist. In some cases, therapy may need to be continued indefinitely in order to maintain results. How to continue with online therapy? Making therapy a daily part of life can be difficult, but it's worth it. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your time and achieve your goals. 1. Schedule your time for therapy. This will help you to make it a priority and avoid procrastination. 2. Set realistic goals for yourself. Don't try to do too much at once, or you'll quickly become overwhelmed and discouraged. 3. Be patient and flexible. Therapy takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. To sum up, online therapy is a viable treatment option that has been shown to be effective for many people. The process from start to finish is simple, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. If you are considering online therapy, be sure to do your research to find a therapist that's right for you. Cheers for watching. If you haven't yet and you fancy giving a like or subscribing, go right ahead. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.